Hello everybody and welcome to another business analysis video. Yay! I'm in such a good mood today. Maybe because I just washed my hair or maybe because I'm wearing yellow. But anyway, about today's video, let's talk about the variance in the business analysis career. What types of business analysts exist and which ones out of these could spike your interest in business analysis so that you can begin your journey in building that career path for you. So I've done some research just to really give you the right information about the types of business analysts that exist, and there are a lot of business analyst types, but according to the BCS book, there are 5 types of business analysts, and these include the business BA or the enterprise business analyst, the technical business analyst or the business systems analyst, the project business analyst, and the proxy product owner. So these are the types of business analyst career paths you can follow. However, there are still other types of business analysts in my experience, okay? So maybe these other types of business analysts fall within these 5 types as identified by the BCS business analysis book for the preparation of all these business analysis exams that we have to prepare for. Now, let's talk about the enterprise business analyst, aka the pure business analyst or the business analyst guru, as I would like to call it. And these types of business analysts are responsible for understanding the business situations that need to be improved and the requirements that need to be met in order to meet this, in order to improve that business situation. So with this role, you'll likely be inquiring engagement with stakeholders at various levels, junior stakeholders as well. So for these, your requirements has to be defined from the business solutions perspective and not the system solutions perspective as the business systems analyst would do, okay? And to grow in this pure BA space, you can end up becoming an enterprise architect or even up to the C levels, chief information officer or the IT directors. So this is the level of growth you can have. Another plus on this is becoming an SME. So if you're working for an organization as a pure BA, you might start to move towards a domain specific business analyst and thereby becoming a subject matter expert. So this is why I said there are more types of business analysts than these 5 as stated in the book, but I guess you can squeeze those other types of business analysts into one of the 5s. In this role, you can also become a business analyst manager to mentor and manage junior business analysts. So this pure enterprise business analyst guru, you can explore a lot of options with this specific path. Number 2 is the technical business analyst or the business systems analyst. This is the one that I guess a lot of people will be afraid of. Honestly, this is the one that I don't want to be, because it involves a lot of technical knowledge, right? So like I said, with the business analyst, you're looking at how IT can help you meet the business objectives, right? We're really focusing on the business objective, the business value, okay? Whereas with the technical or business systems analyst, we're focusing on analyzing the solutions requirements and then supporting the development of a particular software product. I guess you could go on to become a developer because you'd have those technical knowledge required for creating systems or developing systems, right? You probably will have other sort of systems specific knowledge like SQL languages and other types of languages. Okay, the 3rd type of business analyst is the digital business analyst. This is also a very interesting one. So with digital business analyst, it can kind of cross over the enterprise business analyst and the business systems analyst. So the digital business analyst needs to have extensive understanding of the business domain, just like the enterprise business analyst, but you mainly focus on the customer experience requirements and the technology requirements, okay? So this role connects very much to the enterprise BA role by looking at the business domain you're in, right? And it also connects to the IT systems analyst role, which requires greater technical competencies and understanding. So what are the various things that you do here as a digital business analyst? You're building a story to help the management or the business to make the informed decisions on the direction of the business, okay? You're also managing the identification of major online and digital functionality, providing services for customers. Like I said, you're looking at the story, the whole customer journey, so that these services are provided to them using online portals or devices such as web, mobile, and desktop devices. Now, the fourth one is the project business analyst. This type of business analyst will focus on developing the software product. You're elaborating user stories in collaboration with the business staff, with your stakeholders, as well as the developers. So this sort of business analyst includes the agile business analyst, which this book doesn't identify. So I guess it would cross into the agile business analyst, okay? However, it may also require the application of other techniques in order to elaborate the business rules and non-functional requirements, okay? But it has to be relevant to the software product. Now, the fifth type of business analyst is the proxy product owner. I don't want you to get confused because the project business analyst kind of crosses between the agile business analyst, but the proxy product owner also crosses between the agile business analyst, because product owners are part of the agile team. Generally, the product owners are responsible for managing the product backlog, and the product backlog includes what? It includes requirements, features, epics. The product owner generally is responsible for making decisions on these requirements or user stories in the backlog, on the priority of these requirements. So they own the product on behalf of the organization, right? So that's all the types of business analysts that are identified in this book. And which one am I? Which one am I? So I've had experience as a digital business analyst over the years, and as well as a project business analyst. I've worked as an agile business analyst and proxy product owner, but currently I'm more of a business analyst or an enterprise business analyst. So it looks like I've explored all four types of business analysts apart from the technical business analyst. Although I would say that I've had a little bit of technical experience when I worked as a digital business analyst. So I guess I have explored a little bit of the technical role. However, I'm quite happy where I am as a pure business analyst. With all these sorts of amazing roles you can explore as a business analyst, you can start to identify which ones you connect with and which ones you can start to prepare to work on and apply for, so that you can begin your journey, or you can start to think about transitioning to other types of business analyst roles. Guys, so I forgot to say the reason I'm recording here today, not the office, is this noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but somebody has chosen today to drill the ground in front of the house. Today of all days that I'm prepared for recording today's video. Can you imagine? So if you found some value in this video and are preparing to do your exam for the BCS Foundation in Business Analysis certificate, right? I have this ready and available on the membership space, link below, and the website is businessanalystschool.com. Okay, and today's topic is covered as part of the syllabus, and there's a lot more you can learn and prepare for to pass that exam. So if you'd like to work towards that, link in description box, click the link and join the membership. Okay, I'm going to end the video today. I hope you've enjoyed today's content and you've found some value in today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button so that you don't miss all these amazing business analysis video content that I'm sharing. And also share the video. You don't know who it might help, okay? As always, I wish you peace, love, and everything nice. Till I see you in the next one. Peace.